Is your farmer income reduced by vegefly attacks? Here we are introducing Akash for a complete solution of veg flies. Green Biotech, with its innovative technology, has developed a new product, Akash. It's a vegetable fly roll for monitoring melon and other types of flies in vegetable crops. Now I will show how to install vegetable fly roll. Take the Akash plywood and cut like this. You can see the plywood. Just wrap it. This is the plywood. Installation requires few more things. First one is the tag and second one is the plywood. Place the tag in this plywood like this. This is called Akash trap, which contains two parts. First one is the upper part and second one is the lower part. The upper part consists of two holes. You can see this here also, here also. So place the tag in between them. So place the plywood like this and fold it. Just twist the rope. Now take the lower part and fill the 3/4 of the water like this. So now take the both part and lock it like this. Now the Akash trap is ready to use. Take this trap and tie like this. Now let's check the result after 6 hours.